Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model one simple robot in Blender. Very easy and very simple robot in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our final render of a very simple robot. I have modeled complex robot also in my previous videos, in my past videos. You can check out my playlist. You can see all my robots which I have created. You can see my playlist above here. Click on the playlist and go in 3D robots and you can check out my all robots which I have created. So that's it friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.